a podcast for learners who want to speak English with confidence and comfort. I'm your guide, and I'm here to help you improve your English step by step, day by day. I will speak slowly and clearly so you can listen, understand, and repeat after me. Today's topic is simple, but very powerful. How to practice English every single day. Even if you are busy, even if you feel shy, even if you don't live in an English-speaking country, you can still become fluent. Many people believe they must move to places like the UK or the USA to speak good English. But that is not true. You don't need to live abroad. You don't need a native speaker beside you. You don't need hours of study every day. What you really need are small and smart steps. Steps that are easy to repeat. Steps that fit into your daily life. Steps that make you feel natural and confident. So, let's begin. Let me ask you a simple question. What is shadowing? Maybe you have heard this word before, or maybe it is new for you. Shadowing is one of the most effective ways to improve both speaking and listening. And it is very easy. Here's how it works. You listen to someone speaking English, and you repeat exactly what they say. Don't stop. Don't translate. Don't think too much. Just copy the sound like an echo. Try to match the speed, the tone, and the rhythm. Let's practice together. I will say a sentence. You repeat after me. I want to speak English fluently. Pause. I listen to English every day. I am getting better. Step by step. Very nice. That is shadowing. At first, it may feel strange. You may not understand everything. That's okay. Shadowing is not about understanding every word. It is about training your brain and your mouth to work together in English. If you practice this daily, even for 5 minutes, you will speak more smoothly, more clearly, and more confidently. Now let's move to the main question. How can you practice English every day? Many learners say, I don't have time. I feel nervous. I don't know where to start. But the truth is simple. You don't need a lot of time. You don't need perfect grammar. You just need to start. Let me share some simple ways. Tip 1. Listen every day. If you want to speak better, you must listen more. Listen daily, not once a week. You can listen to podcasts, music, YouTube videos, or simple English stories. You don't need to understand everything. Even 30% is enough. Just let your ears get used to English. You can listen while walking, while cooking, or while relaxing. Just 10 minutes a day can make a big difference. Tip 2. Speak what you hear. After listening, use your voice. Repeat sentences. For example, I am improving every day. Pause. I keep learning new words. Pause. I don't give up. Pause. Practice daily, and your speaking will improve naturally. Tip 3. Think in English. Start with small thoughts. In the morning, I feel sleepy. I need water. Outside, the weather is nice. I see people. At work, I am busy. I need a break. These simple thoughts help your brain connect directly with English. No translation, no delay. Tip 4. Read aloud. Reading silently is good, but reading aloud is better. Choose simple text. Read slowly, then a little faster, then with expression. Imagine you are speaking to someone. This improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Tip 5. Use English in your daily life. Don't just study English live with English. Make it part of your routine. Change your phone language to English. Write short notes in English. Speak small sentences during your day. Even small actions matter. For example, write 3 lines about your day. Today was busy. I worked a lot. I feel tired but happy. Or record your voice for 1 minute. Talk about your day. No pressure. No perfection. Just practice. You can also join online groups where people are learning English. Send messages, share voice notes, learn together. You can also watch short videos and repeat what you hear. Watch, pause, repeat. Simple and effective. Remember this: big success comes from small habits. Use English in small ways every day. Say good morning in English. Write your to-do list in English. Watch short content in English. Slowly, English will become natural for you. It will not feel like study anymore. It will feel like part of your life. And that is the real secret of fluency. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode.